Good day, guys. It's Mr. D here. Guys, I've been getting emails and in my groups my people are asking me, Mr. D, how do I trade a moving average? Tell us more about the moving average this, moving average that. Guys, what I can tell you is that the moving average, yes, you can trade moving average, but not only moving average alone. There are some other aspect that you have to consider. You can't just trade it alone. Okay, so let me tell you something about the moving average. The moving average, it determines the structure of the market. What it does, it determines the structure of the market. It tells you if the market is going up or the market is going down. For instance, let's say your moving average, this is a 50 MA moving average. This line going down here is a 50 MA moving average, is a 50 MA, of which is MA stands for moving average. Sorry, MA is standing for moving average. So this line is a 50 MA. So in order for you to have this line, what you do, you go to your indicators, your thingy, you click your indicators, you look for moving average, and you set it to 50. The period you set it to 50, and you can make it exponential as well, of which now is going to be EMA. So but this one is a moving average. So what happened with the moving average? So as soon as the moving average is above your candles, what does it tell you? It tells you that the market is going down. So what you're gonna see, you're gonna see the higher high, the lower high, the lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and so forth. And when the market crosses now your candles, so now the moving average is below your candles. So what's gonna happen is, now you'll see the structure changes. Now you have a higher high, a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and so forth, as the market continues to go up. So now I always say, never trade against the market. Never trade against the market. Yeah? If the market is bullishing, never trade against the market unless you know your story. Never trade against the market. So let me show you the trades that I managed to win today using this moving average. Okay, let me go straight to the strategy. Let me start here. Okay. So the market here, it was showing the consolidation. The moving average is between the candles, showing the consolidation. So from here, the market is above now the candles. So now what does it tells me? It tells me that the market is gonna go down now. So from here I can see it was a higher low, a higher low. Now the lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So from here I said, okay, because I can see that even the candles, they are closing below the moving average. Now they are not closing above the moving average, they are closing below the moving average. I said, here, let me take the trade. Check here, even the thingy, even my stop loss is not that high, it's tight. So someone will ask me, which time frame do you use on this strategy? I use 1 hour time frame. Why? Because 1 hour it works perfectly for me, and 1 hour is the one that is in the middle. You got 5 minutes, 4 minutes. You got 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15, 30 minutes, 1 hour, and so forth. Okay, it's the one that is in the middle, so I prefer to use 1 hour time frame. So from here, I took the trade. Okay, I said, okay, let me take this trade. I took the trade, going down. Okay, the trade went down, and I took my profit here because I don't want to stay long. But look here, guys, check this out. You place the trade here. You see the moving average is creating a space between what? Between your candles, and there's a space between the moving average and the candles. What does that tell you? It tells you the strength of the trend. The strength of the trend, because now there's a space between the moving average and the candles, and it came back again. The market came back too close to my moving average, but it didn't touch my moving average. It's still fine. If it did touch it or didn't touch it, it's still fine. From here, because it's a downtrend. So now I'm using this moving average as a trend line now as well. You see, using this moving average as a trend line. Guys, you don't only consider the moving average alone, the price action as well. Look here what was happening. Look here what was happening. Look here what was happening. Yeah? You consider your price action as well. And from here, I place a trade, another trade as well, because it's a downtrend. Water, check. Check, guys. This is a moving average. And here, I left it go, and I didn't place any trade here because I didn't see any opportunity. The market, as the market moves, here, the market comes to retest the thing here, to the moving average. Okay, I place another trade here, and the short trade, and I took the long position. From here again, water, got my few pips. My last trade now, I took it won as well. But guys, because of this moving average, if you spend time, you know what I've done? What I've done is I spent time looking at this chart, looking at the history of this moving average, and understanding what is moving average and what it does. Check. I went back not only on this, because this one is pound and Japanese yen, not on this on this pair only, but to all other pairs. Spend time studying this moving average. How does it behave when the market comes to what? How does it cross? When it crosses, what happens? All those things, I had to look at it, and I had to study this market and see exactly how does it move. And from there, I started placing some trade, and it's working for me, guys. For me, it's working. I don't know about you, but I was sharing this strategy so that if maybe you wanna try it, go home, backtest it, sit down, spend more time, guys. I know that we all wanna be millionaires. But guys, it takes time for something that's gonna be consistent. It takes time, and you must apply your rules, guys. You must apply when you trade, you must have rules. You don't just place the trade because you see the market is an uptrend or the market is a downtrend. No, you must apply your rules as well. So guys, there's so many factors that you need to consider here. So, but I'm so excited about this strategy of this moving average, and I'm gonna keep on working on it, keep on improving it, keep on trading this strategy, because it does work. So guys, if maybe there's any question that maybe you have, you leave it below in the comment section below. Maybe if there's any topic that you like me to talk about, you leave it below. If you want to join my premium group, you let me know, and I'll leave here the link as well of my my Telegram group as well. And you can on my link for my for my Instagram and Facebook as well. You'll get it on the thingy here on the below. So guys, take care and make sure that you manage your risk. Don't come to the market and donate money. Don't donate money. Make sure that your money that you've sweat for, it works in the market. So guys, take care. I'll see you on the other side, because the bottom is overcrowded. Don't overtrade. Even a one trade a day is good. Just look for a good position where you can place a trade, and just place that good trade and water. Okay guys, take care.